Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class once again. Today, we want to carry out calculation on differential calculus using quotient rule. And let's see what's on the board. The question says differentiate y equals x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. The numerator stands as the u, letter u, and the denominator as letter v. You now have it to be the y over the x, the y over dx equals to, you keep v and differentiate u, v du over dx. Because of this division, you now put minus, keep this u and differentiate v, u dv over dx over v squared. This is the general formula for quotient rule. Please take note. I'm going to square the denominator, v squared. Now, let's see what's on the board. Our u is x squared plus 1. We're going to differentiate it. All right, dy over dx equals, what are v? X minus 1. Let's keep it, x minus 1. Close the bracket. Now, say d of dx of, what is u? X squared plus 1, close the bracket, minus, now keep the u, what's the expression for u? That's x squared plus 1, close the bracket, d of dx of, what's our v? Because we're having v, we are differentiating v now. What's our v? Our v is x minus 1. X minus 1, close the bracket. This division, general division over, what's our v? X minus 1 squared. Now, our dy over dx equals x minus 1. Now, let's differentiate x squared. When you differentiate x squared, it will give you 2x. Close the bracket. When you differentiate a constant, it give you 0. When you differentiate a constant, it will give you 0. Now, let's see how we got 2x. If you have y to be ax raised to n, dy over dx equals to a dot n multiplied by n x raised to n minus 1. Apply the same thing here. Same rule. 2, there's 1 here at the front. 1 times 2 will give you 2. And at the power, 2 minus 1 will give you 1, because we are subtracting 1 from n. And you're having n to be 2. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. And x raised to 1 will give you x. Okay? And differentiation of constant is 0. You don't need to add plus 0 there, because 0 plus 2x will give you 2x. Now, minus, open bracket, x squared plus 1. Now, let's differentiate x. When you differentiate x, there's 1 at the power, it comes to the front. You have y equals to x, dy over dx equals to 1, but there's 1 at the power here, times 1, x is 1 minus 1. It's 1 times 1, 1, multiplied by x, 1 minus 1 at the power, that's 0. 1, anything raised to power 0 is 1. X raised to 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That means that when you are differentiating x, it will give you 1. Multiply by 1. Differentiation of constant will give you 0 over x minus 1 squared. Okay? Adding that differentiation of constant is 0. Let's see. Don't forget that when you're having number like this, y equals to 2x raised by 0, the same thing as 2 times 1. But x plus 0 is 1. 2 times 1 will give you 2. That means that 2x raised by 0 is the same thing as having a constant. And when you are differentiating it, dy over dx equals 2 times 0, x raised to power 0 minus 1, which is 2 times 0, that is 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times x raised to power 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, 0 times x raised to the power minus 1 will give you is 0. That is, differentiation of a constant is 0. Because 2x raised to 0 is the same as when you're having 2. So it's the same as when you're having 2, because x raised to 0 is 1. 1 times 2 give you 2. I now write x raised to 0 as 1, because 2 times 1 will still give you the constant 2. Okay? Anytime you are differentiating a constant, always know that it's automatically 0. Now you now have it to be, let's open the bracket, 2x times x will give you 2x squared, minus 1 times 2x will give you minus 2x, minus, let's open the brackets, x squared times 1, that is x squared. Let's multiply what's in the bracket before we apply the negative sign. X squared times 1, that's x squared, plus 1 times 1, that's plus 1. Close the brackets. Because of the negative, you have to close the bracket over x minus 1 squared. Now, dy over dx equals 2x squared minus 2x. Let's open the bracket. Negative times x squared, negative times plus x squared, that's minus x squared. Negative times positive plus 1, that's minus 1. Because negative and positive give you negative over x minus 1 squared. Now, let's collect the like terms. Now, you have 2x squared. Let's bring minus x squared close. Minus 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 squared. Now, dy over dx equals 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. X squared minus 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 squared. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.